Hello and welcome to Glitter Shine Nails. Following on from my last video, as I've taken some time off from my channel, I thought I would share another set of 5 manis that I've created for my Instagram page. This set of 5 has a theme, and that's neon colours. Neon colours are popping up more and more on my social media right now. So I'll be sharing a selection of pictures and video for each mani and my inspiration behind each one. All of the products I've used have been swatched in their own video, but you can also find a list of the products for each mani, and that can be found in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. The first mani is this beautiful bright blue sea life themed mani, and I've used for the base neon prints from the Neon Vibes collection, which, to be fair, I don't really use a lot of, but it's perfect for this mani. All of the gel polishes and top coats are from Kiki London. You know that they are my favourite to use, and I'm using their rubber base coat along with their no wipe rubber top coat, and you can find my direct link and discount code in the description box below. For the stamping plates, I used 2 plates. The first was Uberchic Beauty Beach Please, and the second was Beautybigbang XL001. I found that the single and layered images from Beach Please were all together in one image from XL001 from Beautybigbang, which just made it the perfect match together, and the layered sea creature just made it something different. It's the only layered image from this mani though. For the stamping polishes, I've used Clear Jelly Stamper 010 Gotta Be Blue, which is the lighter blue, and 013 Pirate Storm, which is the darker blue. I used the 2 blues across the nails just to tie everything together. However, if I was to redo this mani, I wouldn't do that again. I'm just not as keen as I thought I would be when I was creating this mani. 013 Pirate Storm I do use a lot over different blues. Now for each mani I've taken some videos so you can see the nails more closely, and I'll include that for them. And each of the manis are created on my silicone hand, and all products used do have their own swatch videos, from the gel polish colours to the top coats to the stamping plates to the stamping polishes. This is definitely a mani I would change if I was to put this onto my nails, but it's a mani that would work from spring all the way into the summer months as well. The bright blue base of neon prints is a great colour for almost all year round, to be fair. Great for spring and summer, but also winter as well. The second mani, I went with this super bright neon green mani, something different. I haven't used this colour for a long time. Neon colour manis aren't something that I tend to create many of, but they are super popular. For the base colour, I've used Acid Green, again from the Neon Vibes collection. The difference with Acid Green is I've applied French White underneath first, just one coat, to really help the application and coverage of Acid Green, as it is more of a jelly consistency. For the stamping plate, I've used Lina Nail Art 4 Seasons Summer 01, and I've used this plate a lot with these manis. And I've used one of the large leaf images over 3 of the nails, and then on the other 2 nails I've taken 2 of the smaller leaf images at the bottom of the plate and just placed them differently on the nail. If you've been around my channel a while, you'll know that I love to create manis like this. It just gives the manis a different look instead of the nails all being the same. For the stamping polish, I've used Clear Jelly Stamper Stamping Polish 039 Teal or No Teal. This green stamping polish, I use it so much over different coloured greens. Again, stamping over neon colours can be tricky to find the right combination. I did think about making this mani matte, but as I already had 2 others that were matte, I didn't, but it would definitely work as a matte mani. Now, getting the coverage of Acid Green over the French White is something I worked hard on. You don't want any of the white poking out, and hopefully in the video section you'll see that I didn't do too bad with the coverage. I like this mani. I do feel it's missing something though, but I just couldn't figure out what it was. With Acid Green, it's another colour which will work great from summer, but also Halloween nails as well. Now I know it won't be everyone's cup of tea, but I'm seeing more and more bright coloured manis on my social media, so neon colour manis will again be a big hit this coming summer. The third mani, I've created this beautiful bright orange sunshine mani, and I used as my base colour My Lava, again another one from the Neon Vibes collection. And when I was looking through my stamping plates for this mani, I kept going back to the large design sunflower image, and I wanted to show a way of still using bright colours like My Lava but calming them down slightly, making them more wearable. For the stamping plate, I again chose Lina Nail Art 4 Seasons Summer 01, and I went with 3 of the nails having the large sunshine image, and then the other 2 nails having a smaller sunshine from the bottom of the plate, and I've placed them going in different directions. The stamping plate range 4 Seasons I feel is a must have. They have a great range for the seasonal manis like summer, autumn, winter, spring, and the amount of manis possible is just endless from them. The stamping polish that I used was Clear Jelly Stamper Stamping Polish 040 past the Pinot, and it's a gorgeous dark burgundy stamping polish, and one I use a lot over yellows, oranges and pinks, and it works really well with My Lava. And this is how you can see that the burgundy over My Lava has calmed it down a little. If you want to calm super bright colours down, either go for dark stamping like the burgundy or light stamping like a white. So with the video you can see that on the nails with the 2 smaller sunshines on them, there is still plenty of room to add more of the smaller sunshines or maybe some crystals. I did think about adding a glitter top coat, but I wasn't sure which one would work the best, so I left it for now. But I'm glad I've created a mani using the large sunshine image, and it's so pretty, a great summer mani. The fourth mani, I went with this retro colour theme of pink and purple. I've done this a few times because I just love the effect. So I've used as my base colour Neon Princess. This isn't a part of the Neon Vibes collection, but it is a perfect neon pink for the summer months and has a great coverage. I've also turned the mani matte using the Kiki London No White matte top coat. I just really preferred it matte, but it would also work as a glossy mani as well. If you went with the glossy, you could add in some glitter in places just to give it that added extra sparkle. For the stamping plate, I chose a plate from Nicole Diary, and that is stamping plate ND L18, which has some amazing images on there. For each nail, I've moved the stamper around so each nail is different, and with this design you can really see that effect on each nail. Now, one thing I will say is that on the photos the image sort of looks blurry to me, but in person on the hand it doesn't, which is quite weird. But I really do like the effect of the mani. There was a couple of images that I was thinking about using for this mani on this plate, but I decided on this one, but a good few to choose from. For the stamping polish, I've used Clear Jelly Stamper Stamping Polish 016 Shiraz. Again, if you've been around my channel for a while, you'll know that this is my most used purple stamping polish I have. I absolutely love it, and it works perfectly over the top of Neon Princess. I love creating this type of retro colour combo, but this mani would work in a lot of different colour choices as well, like blues, purple, greens, yellows and oranges, lots of colour combos for a really pretty mani. Now with this video you'll be able to see that the image doesn't look as blurry as the pictures do, and with Neon Princess again you don't need the white base because the coverage is just amazing, and just 2 coats it's fully covered. Sometimes whites do help, especially if you were using a gel polish like Raving Doll, which is another neon pink colour from Kiki London, but I really do like this mani and I would be wearing it on my nails any day. So the 5th mani, I've left this one till last because it's my favourite that I've created from these 5. I took inspiration from a recent nail tip I created from a swatch review video, and I've created this fruity lemon and lime mani which I just love the effect of. For the base colour I've used Yellow Caution, again from the Neon Vibes collection, and I've used French White underneath it just to make that colour pop. Over the top, I've then added some neon green pigment powder from Born Pretty in random places, and it just gives that multicoloured background effect. I've also made this mani matte. Again, I just felt it worked better, but again, glossy would as well. For the stamping plate, I've used again the stamping plate Beautybigbang XL001. 3 of the nails are just the full image of the fruits, but I've turned the stamper around for each of them so they are slightly different, and I love how they look over the multi yellow and green background. For the other 2 nails, I did something different. I looked at the full image and really studied it and worked out what area would work best as a strip across the nail. Then once I'd placed it down, anything I didn't want I just removed with my cleanup brush and acetone, and again I really like how that looks on the nail. It makes the nails look very different. For the stamping polish, I used Clear Jelly Stamper Stamping Polish 058 Abyss. This is a shimmery dark green and works so well over the yellow and green background. It was the same as the nail tip swatch I did, and that whole nail tip gave me the inspiration for this mani. It's bright, but it's not super bright. The dark stamping polish really helps keep the colours underneath much calmer, along with it being matte, which also helps. So some good tips for working with super bright colours and making them more wearable. It's unusual for me to have a favourite in these colours, as they aren't really colours I would go for, but you can see from the video how each of the nails are different, from the base colours to the stamping. This mani would work in a lot of different fruit combos and colours. For example, a fruity berry mani, you could use pinks and purples or pinks and reds, and it would work really well. But I love how this mani looks, very summery mani. Let me know what you think about these manis. Do you have a favourite, or would you wear neon colours? And would you like me to create more neon colour manis? I've enjoyed creating something different, and all 5 manis I absolutely love, especially the pink and purple mani, and then obviously the yellow and green. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts on the video and on each of the manis. All of my manis will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my collection of neon Instagram manis that I've created. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at Glittershine Nails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.